Good morning amigos, another day to make another pound. Welcome back to the channel. I'm at the factory loading up to head out into London. I need to drop off some more material for Ruben. Hey, Batman, morning. How you doing, my friend?
All good, all good.
Joker, Paulie.
Man, how you doing?
I'm loving it, Good day. You've cut the basin and moved the basin forward. And you've already cut the first vanity and the doors are ready. And you've got the splash backs ready. No, that's fantastic, guys. You're progressing well. Good work, guys.
We're moving forward.
Fantastic. Good work, guys. Good work. Now, how nice is that van? Very nice, I have to say. I've arrived at Clarendon Gardens. This is the same site that they stole our Butty pave machine. And yeah, this is Flash. All good? All fantastic. Yeah, Superman, our Ruben, he's started installing. How you doing, Ruben?
Not bad, not bad.
How's things?
It's alright.
I think we're winning, eh? Looking good. This, we use actually 0 gaps. So that means we have no joints. Interesting. Those are the tiles. It's been accepted and now we carry on. This is Ruben doing his magic. Yeah, and that's another day. I managed to spend 4 hours driving up and down into London, dropped off some material for Tuesday. Ruben and Jose, they managed to start the tiling. I think they got halfway through the tiling. Paul and Batman, Joe, they did the vanities. And myself and Tony, we still got to help the delivery guy with his load. Yeah, the load that fell over in the back of the truck, and we helped him rearrange it so that we could offload our adhesive and help the old man out. So, and on that note, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button if you feel that there's anything that you like about the videos. And from Igor, thank you for watching. Be safe, and I will definitely see you on the next one.